In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a phone frame in Figma, a crucial skill for designers looking to visually frame their mobile UI projects in a professional manner. First things first, let's head over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged in. If not, simply click on the login button. This will take you to the home page of your Figma account. Once you are at the home page, you'll want to navigate to the design section. This is where all the magic happens. By clicking on the design tab, you'll gain access to the full suite of design tools Figma offers. Here, we can start creating our phone frame. Now look for the frame tool, which is essential for structuring your phone frames and is typically located in the toolbar at the top of the workspace. Click on it and you'll be ready to set up your frame. With the frame tool selected, your next step is to determine the size and specifications of the phone you're designing for. Figma simplifies this by providing a list of common device templates including various phone models. These templates are extremely helpful as they ensure your design will fit perfectly on actual devices. You can select the phone model that corresponds to your needs, whether it be an iPhone or Android device. After selecting the phone model, you'll notice a frame appears that matches the dimensions of the device you selected. At this point, you can begin designing within this frame by adding UI elements, icons, text and more to simulate the actual app experience. For any adjustments, Figma's design tab provides an array of tools allowing you to edit the frame, such as resizing and repositioning elements until it matches your vision. Remember, the frame isn't just a reference, it's part of your design structure, and getting it just right is crucial for a polished finished product. While you're working within Figma, one tip to keep in mind is to use layers wisely. Labeling and organizing your layers will make it easier to navigate and edit your designs in the future, especially when dealing with more complex interface layouts. Finally, as you continue to design, make sure to routinely check your work against the mock-ups of the phone model you initially chose. This will help you ensure everything aligns properly and scales correctly, providing an accurate representation of your final product when viewed on a real device. And there you have it, you've successfully added a phone frame in Figma, setting the stage for designing sleek and effective mobile interfaces. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!